Maintaining your battery, no one wants to be stuck out in the cold with no heat. Maintaining the battery is super important in all conditions, but especially during the winter, as cold will drain your battery. You go out to a parking lot or something after you get done shopping and your battery's just dead. What do you do then? If you have someone, or if you can just flag down a stranger sometimes, you go in and you jumpstart the battery. Always hook up the positive to the positive and the negative to a ground. And don't ever cross them. That could pop fuses. Signs that you have a bad battery also could be dimming of lights, harder starting, and no crank. Cranking is when the engine attempts to turn over. To test your battery, connect the positive terminal and then connect the negative terminal. At that point, your battery tester should light up. This is kind of a more fancy version of a battery tester. Just come in and we offer this for free. Go in, we scan the VIN. Go in and it automatically puts on your battery specifications for OEM batteries on this specific vehicle according to VIN. You capture the temperature because, as we went over, the battery is heavily influenced by what temperature it is outside. So it goes in, captures a live reading so it knows what the battery should be at. Click capture, it's going into an actual test. And it looks like our courtesy shuttle is currently good, operating. That's how you test a battery. Does not need anything done to it. If you have any winterizing or service needs, go ahead and just get a hold of us at Granite Nissan at 342-3400. Forgot the 605. Or come see us at 2626 East Mall Drive.